Hello everybody. Today I have Katie here. We're gonna be doing something with Play-Doh. This is kind of like newly Play-Doh, but the yellow Play-Doh we kind of mix it, kind of like that. We already digged into it. Just for my little sister do. We're going to make cupcakes today. So, let's get started. Let's do some kind of cupcake.
Let's get little pieces.
Not much. Just take some cupcakes. So, use my cupcake. This is just going to be the base of it. I kind of want to make the cream like white, and then I want to put something good on top.
We could make vanilla. We could make vanilla.
I'm going to shake this. I'm going to shake this. So here's my top. Now,
so
this
into this.
Here's mine. It kind of looks like a muffin. Check out yours.
I didn't want to squish it all the way yet.
I'm just gonna do this. My cupcake looks so stubby. Then I want to add some.
Hey, wait for me. I'm not doing mine.
We're gonna bake these. Well, we're not really baking or letting them dry. We're just pretending we're gonna bake them. They're still gonna be gushy like dough and stuff. Okay, are you done yet?
I have no idea.
Okay.
So, no.
Well, okay. Kitty, we're not just gonna spend our time just laying on your cupcake. Alright, I'm just gonna put the.
This looks like a fit that.
No, it probably looks good. You guys recommend it. Oh man, time is going tick-tock. We're already at 3 minutes. Okay, come on. Pick out your frosting, Kitty. I got white.
I'm getting, it's a hard choice. Maybe
Pink.
pink.
Ah! Don't really stick it next to it. Do really lightly. Do it really lightly. Oh, we might want to close it first. I'll be right back.
Let's open this Play-Doh.
Okay.
This Play-Doh like a bong ball.
Dang it.
Oh, this is like a
Oh my gosh, time is going fast already. Kitty, we gotta end this video quick. Kind of like this, Kitty.
Oh no, time is ending. Oh my gosh, we don't have any time.
Here's my cupcake. Yum. Kitty, don't really stick it. And then I'm just gonna make a pink heart. And then I'm gonna get some.
I'm making a white heart.
This kind of be like a Valentine's. Dang! Time go fast. Tick tock tick. This heart didn't come out now.
Mine's gonna come out great too.
Here's my candy heart. I'm just gonna.
Here's mine.
Here's our cupcakes. Here's 2. So share.
Hey, eat mine. I'm gonna eat one.